elevate, motivate, inspire the divine light within you with Yolanda. Welcome back, beautiful souls. How you guys doing today? If you joined me yesterday, well, you already know. This is the week about not fixing anything. It's about learning how to observe. That's right. We are going to observe our bodies and our minds right now. So I want you to take that deep breath in and out, and let's get busy. Now let's say our permission statement. I give myself permission to observe without judgment. I am open to see myself clearly and compassionately. Now, as you put in your permission, if you want to choose others, that's fine. You can write that down. But right now, I want to go over why observation is the foundation in our expansion challenge. Now, most people believe change comes from doing more discipline, more effort, more pressure. However, lasting change doesn't begin with action, it begins with awareness. Okay? So, why we need awareness? So we can see the repeating behaviors we haven't observed before. How we react emotionally before the mind catches up. That's another key component that we have to work on. That immediate gratification, that immediate feeling, well, that's part of that. Reacting emotionally before the mind catches up. And then we try to change patterns we haven't named. So while we're doing this, observation gives us the distance from the patterns. And distance gives you choice. That is what mental authority really looks like. Now, what it means to become the witness. Well, becoming the witness doesn't mean detaching from your life. It means stepping out of the automatic identification. You're not every thought, you're not every emotional reaction. You are the awareness noticing them. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to flip that script and we're going to notice these actions within us and around us. When you witness your thoughts, they lose their grip. When you witness your emotions, they move through instead of controlling you. And that's what we have to do. We have to break that cycle. Now, the common misunderstanding about this, a lot of people think observations mean ignoring the feelings. It doesn't. It means feeling without being overtaken. Observation creates safety in the nervous system, and safety allows change. So, this is why this week is very important because this is the week you're not changing your behavior, you're simply noticing it. I want you to observe any repeating thoughts, emotional triggers, and moments when they react quickly. I want you to write that down and also put down moments when they pause because even that information counts because we are trying to see and become aware and why is this building within us so that we can start healing that so it won't impede our growth. So this is why I want you to just take a moment and write down everything. Okay? Because as you move through your day, ask yourself this one question. What am I noticing right now without judgment? That question alone begins to change everything. I want you to try to do this and then write down everything for Wednesday because we're going to use that for our guided meditation. So, with that being said, I thank you. Take your time, go within, observe what you are feeling so that we can heal this level in our nesting doll. All right, guys, have a great day. And don't forget, I will see you tomorrow for Tuesday's tea. Until we meet again, bye bye.